One essential tactical gear you should consider when hiking is a good pair of tactical boots. The best tactical hiking boots provide unparalleled ankle coverage to prevent injuries and provide protection from outdoor elements. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical hiking boots on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Nortiv 8 Men's Military Tactical Hiking Boots. Nortiv 8 seems to be the perfect pair of tactical boots for winter. With great insulation, these combat hiking boots keep my whole feet dry, cozy, and warm. Surprisingly, these men's tactical hiking boots don't need any break-in period to feel comfortable. They already feel nice with the mesh fabric and genuine leather construction. Also, I like that the fabric goes really high up my ankles and is well cushioned with the added thick padded collar. The toe area has a protective cap, so I'm not worried about hitting a hard object along the way. I also like the rugged rubber outsoles as they seem to be well made for a good grip on all terrains. And I believe the boots are water resistant, at least in puddles, so I'm confident in hiking after the rain. My favorite feature is the side zippers because I can easily get these boots off after a long day. Thanks to the EVA midsole and shock absorbent insole, my feet don't get tired at all. Best of all, the boots look sharp and not too bulky for a long mountain hike. Number 2. Free Soldier Waterproof Hiking Work Boots. Free Soldier hiking boots are more than just a pair of combat boots, as they offer high protection and stability. These military hiking boots are tough and have a reinforced toe to protect my feet from injuries. The best part about these boots is that they're waterproof. The outer surface has a waterproof coating to repel light splashes of water, while the inner lycra cloth wicks away the sweat. Because the gusseted tongue sits up high, nothing got inside the boots when I went hiking in the sand. These waterproof tactical boots have a suede leather upper, which feels soft on the feet. The usage of 1000 Decor Dura nylon fabric on the sides makes these boots durable to wear on any terrain. I think I won't easily slip with these boots on because the geometrical patterns and the molded EVA midsole offer great traction. These combat boots aren't behind when it comes to aesthetics, either. The cool design makes these tactical boots fitting for casual wear after a long hike. With a shaft height of 6 inches, it feels natural to walk or run with them. Number 3. Rocky Men's S2V Predator Military Boots. S2V Predator is the lighter version of the S2V RKC050, making it suitable for long hours hiking. These military boots weigh under a pound, but still pack excellent features that befit tactical operations. These boots seem perfect to wear in the most challenging terrain, with their full-grain leather and 1000 Decor Dura nylon upper construction. I highly doubt that these boots will fall apart because everything is triple-stitched tightly. Most importantly, I feel safe because the roll-stop ankle stability cushions my leg well. Surprisingly, my feet stay dry even when I step into a puddle, thanks to the drainage vents that push the water out using the advanced S2V sieve technology. The dry Lex lining also works well in keeping my feet sweat-free. With the fiberglass shank, I get the right arch support and flexibility to move quickly. The grip of the rubber sole seems outstanding as I have no problem walking on ice. Moreover, the sole is constructed as one piece, so I'm confident it won't separate after rough hikes. This pair feels warm yet not suffocating on the feet with the vents and perforated foot. Number 4. Adidas Men's GSG 9.2 Training Shoes. The GSG 9.2 is tactical footwear built with hiking operations in mind. The rubber outsole intensely grips every surface, while the abrasion-resistant leather upper improves athletic performance. These lightweight tactical boots come with a water-resistant treatment, so I'm not afraid to walk onto puddles. The seam-sealed membrane effectively keeps the water out, while the breathable climaproof material dries my feet quickly. In cold weather, I like that the boots are well insulated to keep my feet feeling warm. The lug traction outsole offers the grip that I wanted for muddy trails. The rugged lugs securely grip the ground to keep my footing steady. Exclusive to this brand is the adipene elastic material under the heel, which offers cushion and absorbs impact in every step. The best part about these boots is they feel as light as tennis shoes, making them perfect for long hikes. Slipping them on is also as easy as putting on my sneakers. I can wear them for extended periods without feeling fatigued, and they look fabulous with the long tongue design. Number 5. 5.11 Men's Attack 2.0 Military Boot. These 5.11 hiking boots are more casual, with their lighter shade of dark coyote and full-grain suede toe. I like how these boots are comfortable and tough at the same time in the field. Compared to the previous 1.0 versions, 2.0 is more comfortable and lighter. The new Ortholite bed features an Achilles cuff and heel flex zone to cushion the feet for everyday wear. Despite all the new features, this pair still maintains the same level of durability with its shock mitigation system. These military-style hiking boots seem easy to put on, thanks to the zippers at the side. Additionally, the outsole offers great traction on any surface, so it's safe to take on any hiking trail. Since it comes with a slipstream waterproof membrane, I'm confident about walking in muddy puddles and getting drenched in the rain. What makes this pair distinct is the knife pocket that seems handy for survival. I can always keep a blade hidden to protect myself against any danger. Most importantly, the dark coyote color stands out in the field and matches well with any hiking attire. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.